We will cook a pork schnitzel, or actually 4. But I got the sauce going with it. Special sauce. Keep watching. Got the ingredients. The bell pepper is the most important one, of course. Then we got some pickled cucumbers with the juice. We got some sugar. We got pepper flakes. We got some canned tomatoes in pieces. And we got some starch for the binding. And we got some onions. And we got the tomato paste. And we got some apple cider vinegar. And we got that to taste. And of course, some salt and pepper. But we add that later. Butter, or margarine in this case. So we start with the onions. Okay, we got them translucent. We add the tomato paste, and gonna roast that a little bit. That's some paprika. You can use olive oil. I use a little bit canola oil. I like the canola oil because it has no self-taste, neutral. Yep. And we got the pickled cucumbers with the juice. And pepper flakes. A tablespoon of the vinegar. Tablespoon of sugar. So I take the lid and put it on for a while. So we'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes and see what it looks like. Let's take another look. Yeah. This temperature. Yes, it's just perfect. Add some pepper and that doesn't work. Oh, wrong. So fresh pepper. I like pepper. Okay. Then we go on with the schnitzel. For the eggs, or the egg, we got some breadcrumbs here. You can choose different types. I know there are quite a few different ones in the States. This is the or regular one with no spices or anything in there. So that's only the bread. And of course, schnitzel. They're pretty small ones, but they're very lean. There's almost no fat. It depends where you get the cut. And this is from the butt. So if you got pork butt roast, you can cut it yourself. So that this is about 3/4 of an inch. We will pound it so it's pretty flat and get bigger. But I show you in a minute. We need some milk, an egg, pepper, salt, and a fork to whisk. Okay, start with the egg. Add a little shot of milk. Okay. Let's put that back. I forgot something. We have to pound the schnitzel just to destroy the fiber in the meat, so it will get very tender. We got a plastic bag so it will be not too messy in the kitchen. Because if you pound on the meat, it will spit all over. So don't want that. That's what it looked like. So I will show you one. So we got the schnitzel. And you do on one side. You got pepper, salt. Just do one side, not both sides, because otherwise probably will be too salty. So some of the people use flour before they put it in the breadcrumbs. I don't do that. So I have to add some. Just to do the sides. And that's about it. Or that's, I'll let that sit in here for a while before I heat up the pan. That will take some time. And here we got the schnitzel. Look different from the beginning. Okay. We need quite a bit of fat in there. Schnitzel need to swim. Put up the heat too much, or the crumbs will burn. You don't want that. Just give it some time. You will see on the sides the oil will rise all around. And that's about the time you turn over. And I was a little bit early because this corner or this part didn't get, but maybe we turn it over one more time. Add some more. So the last one, usually the last ones get more dark than the first ones. And the reason for that is there are breadcrumbs in there. They get pretty dark after a while. So sometimes if you do more schnitzel, you have to clean out the pan before going on. I hope I got you hungry already. That was the schnitzel, and now I show you how to prepare the schnitzel and the sauce together to see what it looks like, and I'm going to tell you how it tastes. Okay, we got the schnitzel. And that's how it looks. But fresh taste, you still taste the bell pepper and onions and the cucumbers, the pickled ones. And if you want to, you can add some salt or pepper or hot sauce or whatever you want in there. That will work too. For you. Okay. Thanks, and